How to open an account with Commercial Bank of Qatar. So if you want to open an account with Commercial Bank of Qatar, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for Commercial Bank of Qatar. Once you've searched, you need to go with the website, which is the official website www.cbq.ga. After that, here on the top right you will have a lot of options. You can go with any option that you're comfortable with. Like for example, if I go with personal internet banking, then it will take me to the next page from where I can log in. But if you don't have an account and if you want to register, then you can go with register now. But if you already have an account, you can go with login, enter your credentials, and you'll be logged in. Or if you don't have an account, go with register now, and now you will have 4 steps. So first you need to enter your details like your Qatar ID or your passport number and your mobile number of Qatar. And after entering these details, you can go with submit. And on the second, you need to enter the one-time passcode, which will be sent to your mobile number. So you will receive an OTP. You just need to simply enter that OTP. And after that, on the third step, you need to verify using your card PIN. And you can create your username and your password, and your account will be created. That's how you can create an account with Commercial Bank of Qatar. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.